In this video, I'll show you how to hide photos in Google Photos using the Locked Folder feature. Let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Next, tap on Collections at the bottom of the screen. Then, scroll down and tap on Locked Folder. If you're using Locked Folder for the first time, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up using your device's screen lock. Once the Locked Folder is set up, select the photos or videos you want to hide. After selecting your items, tap Move, then confirm by tapping Move again. The selected photos and videos will be moved to the Locked Folder and will no longer appear in your main Google Photos library, memories, search results, or other apps on your device. You can access these hidden items at any time by opening the Locked Folder and verifying your identity using your screen lock. That's it! You have successfully hidden photos in Google Photos using Locked Folder. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.